Running a gym is tough. Let's break down 5 marketing moves that actually bring in members and keep them coming back. First, local SEO. Claim your Google business profile, upload real photos, and ask for reviews every week. When people search gym near me, you want to be the first result they see. Second, content. Share useful blogs, quick tips, and short videos. Answer questions like, how do I start lifting safely at 40? Repurpose one strong idea across your blog, email, Instagram, and TikTok. Third, email. Create a welcome series, send monthly newsletters, and check in with members who haven't been showing up. Email builds loyalty and feels like coaching right in their inbox. Fourth, social. Share real members, short tips, and behind-the-scenes clips. Encourage user-generated content and build a sense of community. People trust people. Fifth, paid ads. Start small with Google and Facebook. Use clear offers like a free trial pass. Retarget people who visit your site but don't sign up. These 5 strategies work. If you'd like a ready-made plan, MarketinGear can set it all up for you. Book a free 20-minute strategy call today.